from the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a beauty out there today, and we finished off the month of April and starting off the month of May. Very similar numbers, so let's get to it. We'll bring this over to the weather wall as well. These are the daytime highs going back to last month. Of course, when the weather's quiet, we do some statistical analysis of the highs and lows, and when it's above normal, you see red. When the temperatures top out below normal, you see it here in the blue, and well, we had one day where we hit it right on mark. Normal highs upper 70s to lower 80s. And interestingly enough, we hit 90 degrees on April 1st, no April Fools, and then we didn't even get close to 90 for the rest of the month. By this weekend, maybe getting close to that number. Now, overnight lows, there was a pretty even mix between above average, below average, and near average. In fact, April of 2023 averaged about a half degree to a couple of degrees above normal, but nothing out of the ordinary. Very similar to April of last year. Rainfall, though, was pretty good this month with a super wet day on Friday the 7th. We had almost 4 inches of rain, another inch on the 21st. So overall, over 6.5 inches of rain for Lafayette. Other spots did very well, thank you. May, though, we're going to be starting out above normal with respect to highs, but a little below with respect to lows. We have this, what we call an omega block, this big omega shaped thing with low pressure here, high pressure sandwiched in between. And we're seeing a nice dry northwesterly flow, but some high clouds off to the west of us. That'll be the story. Eventually, this whole pattern slides eastward, and we'll start to see disturbances coming at us from the southwest, but that won't happen until about Friday. So pretty smooth sailing until then. As we look at the weather map across the U.S., you can see it's still winter, upper peninsula of Michigan through the northern part of the mid as well. Rain showers and inclement weather through the northeast and back to the west is relatively quiet. Some more rain, though, but not much snow at elevation. And now we're watching the melt season across portions of the west. For us, it's just lots of sunshine once again today. Light winds across the area, and that's how it's going to go overnight tonight. Temperatures get down into the mid to upper 50s to near 60. The graph model has been suggesting maybe a little patchy ground fog developing, but we're not overly concerned with that. And then tomorrow, sun and cloud mix, so a little bit more in the way of high clouds across the area. Temperatures topping out in the low to mid 80s. Light winds continue. Fair to partly cloudy skies, seasonably cool again, upper 50s, lower 60s for Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday afternoon, we'll see readings once again pushing into the mid 80s with light and variable winds. That means it's going to be good for fishing and offshore water interests as well. Tonight, though, a little bit of a chill still in the air, low to mid 50s. Normal this time of year is about 62 to 63 degrees, so a little bit cooler than normal. Much the same for the I-10 corridor. Will favor about 56 to 57 degrees, and much the same down along the coast. St. Mary Parish, Cameron, just a tad bit warmer by the water. So after a morning start in the 50s, we'll see readings getting up nicely into the low to mid 80s for tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow night will favor lower 60s, some upper 50s, northern parishes of Acadiana, and then for Wednesday afternoon, pushing back into the low to mid 80s with partly cloudy skies. So overnight tonight, another nice cool night ahead. Some high clouds out there, nearly calm winds, 57 the low. Again, few patches of fog in the forecast, but we're not expecting a big fog event at all. Then tomorrow, nice seasonably warm day, a few more high clouds. The low humidity will continue with light and variable to northeasterly winds at about 4 to 8. Just another wonderful spring day ahead. Much the same as we head into Wednesday, Thursday. Notice our temperatures begin to warm up. And then by the weekend, we're seeing highs pushing the mid to upper 80s with humidity to go with that and the risk of a few scattered mainly daytime and afternoon showers and or a few thunder showers this weekend. And that pattern continues into next week. And what's not in this 10-day forecast is a cool front. And we had a nice one over the weekend after the rains. We did. But as for Saturday and then big turnaround Sunday, now we'll be looking for a cool front. There probably maybe one or two out there somewhere, but we don't see any right now.
And to hear you talk about winter still in the upper peninsula of Michigan is like, what?
Yes.
There are people dealing with snow?
Yeah.
Gross.
Still.
All righty. Thank you, Rob.